ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra shapi dak orange Nissan looms ho pho near fire brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Khandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala play nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapa ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
sambut menteri rangba ke jelau ba Prestone tensong ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kala syong Jingïakhih bat kala syemi karai ban Pynhiar dor no ya ka Petrol bat ka diesel da Tyngka bat ka dor ka thamai kan trekam na do ka siteng met jong ka pratri gurumpang arajar arpoi ba Prestone la kentui ki kenhon jong ki kali kamai ki ba pelong ki Jingïakhih ba kin Weng no ki Jingïakhih jong ki namar ba Sorkar kala Pynhiar dor ya ki penyang kali.
Today evening, under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, we had a VC meeting with the concerned officers, including Chief Secretary, and taking into consideration the issue of the abnormal hike in prices of diesel and petrol. Then the government has decided that the price of diesels and petrol will be reduced to 2 rupees. 2 rupees with effect from 8 midnight. Monday midnight, notification will come out and it will reduce by 2 rupees per litre, both diesel and petrol. Number 2, this decision taken under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, comparing also the price that has increased in Meghalaya, which is even little higher than Assam. So therefore, this decision is taken today evening. And I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders to cooperate with the government, and those indefinite strike called by the Joint Action Committee, we would request them to suspend it immediately.